Hello everyone, thank you for watching. This is a short tutorial on how to install the Ffmpeg plugin for Audacity on a Windows 10 computer. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified of our latest videos. Let's get started. So if you're like me, you installed Audacity and tried to drag in a file to edit the audio on it. But you received one of these errors telling you that you can't, and you need to convert that file to a WAV or an AIFF file, or you need to get an Ffmpeg plugin to be able to do so. So I'm going to show you how to get the Ffmpeg plugin to allow you to edit those audio files. So you may be wondering, why doesn't Audacity just include this with the download? Now I haven't dug in too much into the details, but during the download we will be on a screen that will have this information on it. And it in short tells us that we need this plugin to allow for a wider range of files to be edited. And Audacity can't distribute this plugin on their own website for software patent reasons. Therefore, we have to use a third party in order to download it. So to start, first thing you want to do is open up Audacity. At the top, click on Edit and go down to Preferences, or you can press Ctrl-P. You want to click on Libraries on the left column. Then you'll see two options. One's Ffmpeg Library Locate, and the other is Ffmpeg Library Download. You want to click on Download. Once you click that, a web page should open up. This video is for a Windows computer, so I'll click on the Windows link, Ffmpeg Installation section. Then you want to click on where it says Installing Ffmpeg for Windows. Now you want to go to the external Ffmpeg download page, and I'll put a link in the description to this so you can go straight to it. I wanted to show you how to get to it from Audacity itself in case this link changes or becomes inactive. At least you'll have a way to obtain the proper link from there. For this version, you want the Ffmpeg Win 2.2.2.exe. Once you click on this, the download will begin. The file is only 9.5 megabytes, at least for this version, so it shouldn't take long at all. Once it's finished, just open it up and you'll follow the typical steps to install a plugin. English, then Next. I get this because I'm reinstalling it for the purposes of this video, so you should not see this, but I'm going to click Yes. This will likely come up for you as well if you have Audacity open. It needs to close Audacity in order to update it, so I just leave automatically close the application checked and then select Next. This only takes a few seconds, then you can select Finish to complete the setup. Now you can reopen Audacity. Go back to Edit, then Preferences or Ctrl-P. And then select Libraries on the left column. This time you want to select the Locate option. You should see a pop-up with the heading of Success. This means Audacity found the plugin successfully. This pop-up is also asking you if you want to locate the file manually. You want to click No since Audacity found it for you, and then click OK. You'll see Audacity update for a few seconds, and then go back to the main screen. From there, you should be good to go to drop in any file that is now supported by Audacity, plus the Ffmpeg plugin. Thank you everyone for watching. If this video helped you at all, please like and subscribe and feel free to comment below. Take care everyone.